Now that we've broadened our understanding of the psychology behind social networks, it's time to start zeroing in on the big five, starting with Facebook. It's a rare person who doesn't already have a Facebook account. If you're one of the few, there's no shame in that. You actually may have an advantage because you'll be able to strategically plan your Facebook page with a fresh start. I'd like you to read or view the entire Facebook lesson before you create or update your Facebook page. There are so many elements to consider that it's difficult to create a step-by-step template with all the remember this tip advice inserted at the right place. But we've come close to that goal. But I think if you go through the lesson one time, you'll be in a much better position to ensure that all the key points are implemented. To begin with, we need to consider a few key points. Step 1, set up your profile. There are a few small but important pointers for setting up a strong Facebook profile. First are photos. Number 1, do upload a profile photo and not one of scenery or flowers unless you're a landscape or nature photographer. Use a headshot. Number 2, use the same profile photo across all social networks. Number 3, make sure it's a current one, preferably a headshot with no distractions in the background. Number 4, make sure that what you're wearing in your profile photo reflects the image you want to portray. For example, if you're marketing yourself as a business person, you wouldn't want to show a photo of you goofing around at a party in your 70s blast from the past afro wig and tie-dye t-shirt. On the other hand, if your business consists solely of selling hand-painted beach flip-flops, you could get away with a photo of yourself in a Hawaiian shirt on a beach. Flip-flop feet pointing towards the camera as you lie in a deck chair with a big grin on your face. Number 5, have your photo ready to upload before you set up your profile. It doesn't really matter what size it is. Just be able to drag your thumbnail around to select the portion you want. But 367 pixels by 327 pixels is the size you need if you have photo editing software. Next, we're going to look at privacy settings. Don't take these for granted. Make sure you configure your privacy settings to your liking. Go through each step individually. Here's how you access the privacy settings. When you initially come to Facebook, you're going to see a screen like this. So click on the privacy link and you'll come to a page that looks like this. The blue title that states sharing and finding you on Facebook is a link you can click on to read all about the privacy settings on Facebook. Read all about these privacy settings. It'll only take you about 5 minutes, but you will learn some useful information about how to control your privacy settings and control how you share your information.